Monday na naman. Sabi nila, hapos maging estudyante. Hindi gid.
Mr. Teologo, are you listening?
Sorry miss, ano to?
Mr. Teologo, college ka na. Focus ka naman sa imo paspila, ha? Academic achiever ka naman. Pabalo ka naman na sana, di ba? Okay, good. I know you're going through a lot of things right now, pero hindi man pagsayama sa condition sa iyong militar.
Ito mo sa CR, no? Kagbiskan sa bird. Oh, Gab, ang abala, lutos sa...
For me, it was my morale, my friends. Even when my family is away, they were like my second home. I was never overreacting. Maybe I just needed a little push to go through the smaller obstacles. I haven't tried this in a while. Man, I miss my friends. Let's see if ma-reply sila balik. Base, busy sila. I'm tired. Lang tayo if mag-reply man gid sila.
Wow, pasado ka ba?
Thanks.
Daw, magulong kita nga gatan ka pasaw.
Kanya ko din miss.
Uy, why mo kuya balaga judge?
Ta?
Padiin?
Jollibee.
Jollibee? Ano mo libre mo?
Nagbiya?
It is only the beginning, and I will continue to do good, knowing that my friends are doing good too.